Tracepos, smart solutions for your business.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another episode of the Tracepos Training Series. In this session, I'm going to just walk you through on some of the new features that we added to Tracepos. So right now, you can search offline invoices. Okay, so if you have the invoice number, you can actually search a sale that was done offline. So you enter the invoice number, right? So the sale will actually pop up. Then you can also manage offline orders. So as you can see, orders that have not been synced. You look at what it says, say security lock. Offline sales are sealed and must be synced. Mistake must be handled via sales returns after syncing. So if the products have not been synced, they will all appear here. So which you can perform an action to sync those items. Then if they are failed, when you sync a sale and it's failed, you can actually see those failed sales and then maybe resync, delete, or repost, and for any reasons, but it will show you the reason why those offline sales actually are failed. So that is that on the new feature. You can look at bulk billing. This bulk billing, let's say, is majorly used by schools, so where you can create bulk bills for maybe classes of the same, as in students of the same class. You understand? So it is simple, but we are not going to cover that feature in this particular episode, so we'll not waste so much time on that. So but that is what you can see or what you can do, what is visible in the new updates in Tracepos. As you can see, you can now, instead of you scrolling left and right, you can pick a particular product and then you can edit the sale, you can send the invoice, you can print, you can, you print, download PDF, print A4, print POS receipt and all that. So that is the updates I am just bringing on the new Tracepos on sales. So we'll be sharing more videos, and I hope you stay tuned and enjoy it and learn how Tracepos can actually work perfectly for you. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at tracepos.net to learn more.